left here.
The village. Big Bear Boulevard. Big Bear Lake. Make that into it. Okay, I'm back. Making a left on Big Bear Lake Boulevard. Look at the lake. Wow. Nice. Look at that lake. Where is this resort that we're going to stay at?
It's up here a couple more miles.
Hey, the bowling barn. Let's go bowling.
I've never been very good at bowling.
Oh.
I enjoy bowling. A few times I've been in my life. Looks like it's up here on the right-hand side.
Dermatology. Unique crafted food. Oh. I wonder how it looks at night here. Nottingham Restaurant
Robin Hood.
Resort right here. Oh, nice resort. I guess we can park. I guess, is there parking in the back? Okay, well, my husband's gonna go in there. This is where we're gonna stay at. It's in the kitty corner of Pine Knot Avenue and Big Bear Lake. We are here on our little mini vacation at Big Bear Lake, and we're staying at the Robin Hood Resort. Take a look. Robin Hood Resort. Do-do-do. We're enjoying Big Bear Lake.
The house just keeps on winning. I gotta walk her to my seat, and the clock keeps telling me the dance. I just fix them in my dreams, and if the whole world stops singing, and all the stars go dark, I don't want my sun. I keep the blue light in my heart. I keep the light on in my soul. I keep the blue light in my heart.
Hello, we went back to the resort where we staying, and we decided to eat here. At the other place, it was too noisy, and they had to stop orders because there was too much backup, and we didn't want to wait too long. So we came back to where we are staying, and here's my husband. It's a nice resort. There's a room we're staying in. Right behind that sign. Room 15. Where are we staying? Say hi.
Hello.
Well, good morning. It's the next day. It's June 9th. We're leaving the motel room. You see, it's a really nice place where we stayed, And I can share with you where we parked. You see the Jeep way over there? And see. But that is our Jeep. There he is. Putting this stuff inside the car. All right. Back to me. We're gonna go eat breakfast before we go back home. And look at this poncho my husband got me. And he's thinking of getting me another one. This is really warm. It's like a really long blanket. I wish I could just put my phone down. I'll put my phone down here so I can back up. Look at this. Isn't this pretty?
Yes!
And I want to get another one. All right. See you later. Well, here we go. I'm going out the door. Bye-bye hotel, motel. And this is at the Robin Hood Resort. It's pretty. Really enjoyed my place here. Okay, let's turn off the lights. I think this one is the lamp light. I think I'm ready to go. We didn't leave anything. I think we got everything. Oh no. We're gonna forget his phone. I was about to close the door. Hey, you forgot your phone. I almost forgot your phone.
That wasn't nice to do.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. All right. See how beautiful. It's pretty, isn't it? It was a great getaway. And I'm going to the Jeep. This is the Robin Hood Resort. And all right. My gosh, it's such a beautiful day, isn't it? All right. Okay, we're heading back home. We are heading back home, but we are actually going to eat breakfast. I think my husband had to return the key to the motel. And I'm going to really miss this place. This is Big Bear Lake. I think this is a great place to come back to get away. But if I come back here, I probably want to spend 2 days maybe. And next time we're going to actually take our dog. Okay, if we had our dog right now, our Gigi, we would stay another night, but we did not. So we are going to be returning maybe when we're free one weekend. So I think this is really great, you know, great vacation. I never expected this. This was a spur of the moment that my husband decided to do this yesterday. All right, I will get back with you to continue my journey.